welcome back to our new tutorial. Hope you guys are well. So today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how we can create this travel agency website step by step using WordPress. So this is the website which we are going to making in this tutorial. So now let's see what we have in this website. Here in the top left you can see that we have a logo and a search bar option, and in the right side we have our navigation links, and in the center we have some amazing slider with some sliding image, and then we have some heading and then paragraph, and this slider is looking completely stunning. And underneath this, here you can see that we have a destination and a city search bar, and then we have a month option, and then we have a search by date option, and then we have a button here. And underneath this, here you can see that we have some popular destination, and this is actually some posts about this place, about this cost and everything in this destination page. And if we now scroll down, here you can see that we have a subscription option also, so that we can notify people about our updates and our new upcoming projects. And underneath this, here you can see that we have some popular packages, and in these packages we have some destination. Each of them is actually a post, and inside this post we have the details of this destination and the cost and the requirements. And underneath this, here you can see that we have a parallax background, and then we have a testimonial, featured testimonial. And in this featured testimonial we have some comments, we have some reviews of our clients, of our customers. And underneath this, here you can see that we have some company logos. And at the last, here you can see that we have our footer, and then we have a copyright section also. So now let's go to the top here, and from our destination let's select a post. Now click on this one, and in this page here you can see that we have an amazing background image and a heading here. And if we now scroll down, here you can see that we have some related destination and some packages here. And underneath this, here you can see that we have our heading, our smaller heading, and some paragraph and some images. It's actually like description of this destination. And here you can see that we have actually a comment box, so that users can post their comments. So now let's go to our home page again, and if we now scroll down, and let's go to our package here, and now select one so that we can see what's inside this page. So this is our home page. Here you can see that we have a background and a heading here, and we have two buttons here. And if we now scroll, here you can see that we have some text, and we have some images about actually its description of this package. And here you can see that we have some details about this package. We have some including packages. And if we now scroll down, here you can see that we have also a map here of this destination, and then we have some reviews and comments of our clients, of our customers. So now go to the top, and then let's go to our tour page. And in this tour page we have a background image with our heading, and then here you can see that we have the list of all of our packages. So this is the list of our package. Here you can see that. And then we have our logos and then our footer. So now let's go to the top here, and then let's go to our about page. And this is our about page. Here you can see that this about page is looking stunning. And inside this page we have some images, we have some text here, and then we have our reviews of our clients, and then we have our footer. Now let's go to the top here again, and then let's check out our contact page. So in our contact page, here you can see that we have actually a map here, and then we have a description of ourselves, and then our company logo, and then our footer. And I will be hosting my website in domainracer.com. Domain Racer is a web hosting and domain registration company that offers a specialized web hosting services, including domain registration, domain and hosting plans. They provide web hosting services for individual business, a small business and professionals as well. Here are key benefits of Domain Racer. They provide light speed technology for unbeatable performance, pure SSD hosting platform for better input and output operation, support HTTP 2 plus free SSL certificate for lifetime, secure and faster. They provide 24/7 service hosting, and also install options and cPanel design are very clean and simple with unlimited bandwidth. So this is the best web hosting according to my opinion. Here are the starting plans. Basic starting with $0.99 per month, Personal starting with $1.69 per month, Silver starting with $2.9 per month, and Advanced starting with $4.29 per month. And I will give a link of their website in my description below so that you guys can check out their website and other facilities. And guys, I want to show you something. Here YouTube is saying that about 93.4% of my viewers didn't subscribe to my channel yet, and YouTube might take it negatively. So I will request you, if you didn't subscribe to my channel yet, then please subscribe my channel, like this video and press the bell icon for the future videos. And if you guys have any question about this video, you guys can comment below. So that's it guys, let's get started. For creating our website, we will follow 4 steps. Installing the theme in our WordPress admin panel, installing the required plugins, importing the demo content, set up and customize the website. So let's jump into our first step, which is installing the theme in our WordPress admin panel. Now I am in our WordPress admin panel, and this is the page is currently looking like. It is now actually a blank page. Now we have to import theme and our post, images, text, all of the stuffs into our website. So for doing this, first we have to install our theme into our WordPress admin panel. So for installing the theme, I am using this WordPress theme, which is Grand Tour from themeforest.net, and you guys can also buy this theme. I will give a link in the description below. So now let's go to our dashboard, and from here we have to go to our appearance and then themes. So I have to upload this theme which I have downloaded in my computer. For uploading this theme, click on add new and then upload theme. Now choose file. Now I have to select the file and then click on open, and then now I have to click on install now. So our WordPress theme is now installing, and it can take a few minutes depending on your internet. After finishing our installing process, we can see our theme, which is Grand Tour. Now we have to simply activate this theme. After installing the WordPress theme, now we have to follow our second step, which is installing the required plugins. So here you can see that now we have some plugins here which we have to install. For installing these plugins, we have a button for installing the plugins. Now click on that. And these are the plugins which we have to install. So I will install everyone at one time. So that's why I will click on this plugin. And now here you can see that we have selected everyone. And then from here we have to select install and then apply. So now here you can see that our plugins is now started to install. And now here you can see that we have successfully installed all of our plugins. Now let's go back to our plugin dashboard. And now guys, here you can see that we have successfully activated all of the plugins. Now if we go to our website and see what is our website is now looking like. So here you can see that this is our website. It is actually a completely blank page. After installing the required plugins, now we have to follow our step 3, which is importing the demo content. So that's why let's go to our admin panel, and from here you can see that we have our theme setting. Now click on this theme setting, and here you can see that in the last option we have our demo content. Now click on this demo content, and then we have to click on this button. And here you can see that we have 2 options here. We have 2 demo content. You guys can add any one of them, but I want to install the second one, so that's why I will click on this import button and then yes, import. So now here you can see that our demo content is now importing. Now it will take some time depending on your internet. Now here you can see that we have successfully imported our demo content. So now let's go to our website and now refresh. So now here you can see that this is our website is now currently looking like. After importing the demo content, now we have to follow our step 4, which is set up and customize the website. And now we have to add some navigation links and some post here and some tool here also. So now I will show you how we can do this. Now first we have to customize this website. So for customizing this website, now let's click on our this customize button. and from here we have our site identity. So now first let's click on our site identity. So here you can see that we have our site heading here and then our tagline. Now I don't want to change anything from here, but if you guys want to change anything here, you guys can change it from here. Now let's go to our logo and fav icon. Here you can see that this is our fav icon, and we have our logo here, and here you can see that we have actually two logo. One is black and one is white, and I will show you why actually they put two logo here. Now here you can see that we have our white color logo. If we now scroll down and suddenly I started to go top, here you can see that our background changed to a white color, and then our logo color is also changed. Before it was actually white color, now it is actually black color. Here you can see that. So for this change we have to add two logo here. One is black and another one is white. And now I will show you how we can change our logo from here. So for changing the logo, you have to just click on the select file, and then you have to upload the logo file from your computer. So now let's click on our select file, and here you can see that we have actually one logo here. And if you now select on this logo and then open, so now here you can see that our logo has been now uploaded. If we now click on the select button, we will change our logo, but I don't want to change my logo because I just wanted to show you guys how to change the logo and the process here. Now let's go back, and here you can see that we have our general section. Now click on this general section, and here is our image section. Here you can see that image, and if we now go to the top, here you can see that we have actually two button here. One is for right and one is for left here, and you guys can change it from here also. So now let's go back, and we have our typography. If you guys want to change the typography of your website, you guys can do that from here. You guys can select different font family from here, then you can change the font size, then font weight also, and you guys can decide a different font family for our headings, and our font size and our font width and font spacing here also. And I hope you guys can do this from here. Now let's go back, and we have our background color and our color here. From here you guys can change the color of our background, our heading, our page content. So for changing a color, you just have to click on this color, and then you guys can choose any color from here. Here you can see that our background is now changed. So you guys can choose any color from here as your own, but I don't want to change the color. I will stick to the white. That's it. And you guys can change the other colors from here also, but I don't want to change anything from here. Then we have our input and button here. Here you can see that we have a button here, and we have another button here, and we can change the color of our button. Here you can see that our font color is actually white, then input and text area font color is actually this color, and then border color, then our input color. And you guys can change the font family of our button also. Here you can see that our button color is now actually blue. You guys can change the button color from here, but I don't want to change anything from here, so I will just stick to the default one. Then you can choose the button font color. Now our button font color is actually white. You guys can change the color from here also. Then we have our button border color. Here you can see that we have actually a border, and you guys can change the border color also. So after this one, now let's go back, and here you can see that we have our mobile option, and yes, I want my website to be responsive in different kinds of devices, so that's why we have to select this option here. Then we have our frame, but I don't want to change anything from this frame. Then box layout, and from here I don't want to change anything. Then we have our navigation, and in our navigation we have our general section. We have actually, here you can see that if we go to the top, here we have our left align, so we have our left side, and in our left side we have our search bar also. So this is our search bar. If you guys want, you can change the align of from here. You can choose the left align and the center align also, but I don't want to change anything from here. And you guys can also change the sticky menu and the smart sticky menu also. And then we have our typography for our navigation. Here you can see that we have our font family, which is Monstera, and then font size and menu padding, then menu font weight also. And you guys can adjust the setting from here. Then if we go to the color section, here you can see that we have our menu background, which is white, and a menu font color also black, and then we have our menu hover font color, these colors. And then we have our sub menu, and I don't want to change anything from sub menu. We have mega menu and top bar here, so this is the top bar. And then we have our contact information also. If you guys want, you can change the contact hours, and you guys can change the phone number also from here. You just have to type your phone number from here, so you guys can do that from here also. Then we have our side menu here, and I will show this setting later. Now let's go back, and then here you can see that we have our header, and in our header we have our background, and we can actually, here you can see that we have page title, background, image, height. So we can change the height here. Then we have our page title, background, image, and then if we want, we can enable the parallax effect also for this parallax effect. Then we have our page title here, and we can adjust the size, padding top, and the padding bottom here also, and then font size, font weight also from here. Then we have our content builder header, and I don't want to change anything from here. Then we have our page tagline and subtitle. So I will show you this setting later when we will customize our page. And here you can see that we have our sidebar option, and we don't need this sidebar option now. Then we have our footer here. Now let's go to our footer here. Here you can see that we are now in our footer section. If we now click on the general, here you can see that 3 column is actually selected by default. Here you can see that we have 3 column, 1, 2 and 3. If you guys want, you can add 4 column also, but I think 3 column looks better. Then go back, and here you can see that we have our colors also. We can change the color, font size, and the links color from here. Then we have our copyright section. So this is our copyright section. Here you can see that this is the copyright text. You guys can change this copyright text here also. And then here you can see that we have so many navigation links, and I don't want to show these navigation links here, so that's why I will select the social icons. And now here you can see that our all navigation links is now gone. Now let's go back, and here you can see that we have our gallery also, and I don't want to change anything from gallery. Then we have our tour here. So this is the tours. We have our general section, and then we have our single tour page. So I will set up this page later on when we will customize our page, our single page. Then we have our blog section, shop section, and the menu section. And now here you can see that if we go to the top, we don't have any navigation link here. So now I want to add some navigation links. So for doing this, now click on this main menu. So here you can see that we have already some menus here, but this menus is not showing in the top. So for showing the menus in the top, we just have to select this primary menu. So let's select. So here you can see that we have our all navigation links, all navigation menu here, but actually there are so many navigation links. Now we have to delete some navigation links here and then set up. So here you can see that at the first we have our home page. So here you can see that we have actually by default a different link for our home page, and I don't want to add different links in our home page. I want to give my own website link. Whenever we will click on our home, we will go to that link here. So for doing this, I will just copy this link from here and then paste it here. That's it. Then we have our booking here, but I don't want any booking navigation link here, so that's why I will remove this navigation links. And here you can see that our booking is now gone. Then we have our tours here, and I don't want this destination also, so remove. And you guys can set up these navigation links using drag and drop techniques. Here you can see that we can drag and drop our navigation links. So now I will set up these navigation links as soon as possible so that we can save our time. So now guys, we have set up our navigation links. Here you can see that we have now our home, tours, and online booking, about, and then contact. So after this one, now I will show you how we can change these sliding images and our text and paragraph from here. So for doing this, first we have to publish our settings, then close this option. So now we are now in our home page, and from here if we go to our slider revolution, we can see a home slider. Now we have to click on this home slider. So now we are in our home slider, and from here we can change our sliding option and the sliding images. So now if you want to change the background image, how we can do this, now I will show you that. So for changing the background images, you just have to click on our right, and then here go to edit and then media library. Now you have to upload an image, or you can set any image from here, but I will upload image from my computer, so that's why I upload files and then select file. Now I will select this image and then open. After uploading this image, now we have to insert. So now here you can see that we have changed our background image. Now if you guys want, you can change the heading here. So for changing this heading, you just have to write a new heading here. And then if you want to change the text here, you have to just change this text from here. You guys can do that from this section. So after changing the first slide, we have to change the second slide also. So for changing the second slide, first we have to go to our slide option here and then click on our second slide. So now here you can see that we are now in our second slide. Now I will change the background image first. So for changing the image, right click and then edit, then media library. And I will upload an image from my computer, so that's why I upload files and then select files. So after uploading our image, now let's insert. So now here you can see that we have successfully inserted our image. Now if you guys want, you can add some filter here also. So for adding filters, you have to just go to this section and then here you can see that we have our filter option. Now click on this filter and here you can see that we have some filters and we can add filters from here. Now I will choose this filter, that's it, and then we can click on our save. So now here you can see that we have successfully saved our slider. Now if you guys want, you can change the heading from here, this text. We just have to write a text here, and then if you guys want, you can change the text from here. We have to write another text here. So I don't want to change anything from here, so that's why I will just go to my website. So for going my website, I will just delete this and then go to my website. So now guys, here you can see that we have now changed our background image of our slider and this is actually looking good. Now if you guys want, you can add other slides also, but I don't want to add any other slides here. So after this section, now if we scroll down here, you can see that we have our destination post here. Now if you click on this destination post, now let's see what we have in this post. Here you can see that we have a background image and then we have our text, and then here you can see that we have some related tool here, related destination, and then we have our text and some images. Now let's add another destination in our website. So for adding our destination in our website, let's go to our WordPress admin panel and from here let's go to the top, and here you can see that we have a destination option. Now click on this add new destination. So for adding a new destination, you just have to create a title here. So my title will be Bangladesh. That's it. Then here we have to give some description here. So I will just copy the description from the existing single page post here. Here you can see that we have some post and our text here. So I will just copy everything from here. Copy and then go to our WordPress admin panel and then paste it here. That's it. So in the top here it will be Bangladesh. That's it. Then here you can see that we have select feature image, or if you guys want, you can add Vimeo video and you can add YouTube video also. And from here you can select some related tool here. So I will select this 4. That's it. And then if you guys want, you can add some extra text here. And now I will add a featured image. So for adding featured image, now I will upload image from my computer, so that's why I select file. So this is the file which I am going to use. So now select this one and then open. So after uploading this image, now we have to click on set featured image. So now here you can see that our image is now set for our featured image, and then we have to select the category here, and then now we have actually world. And if you guys want, you can add new destination category here by clicking this option. So I think everything is now done. Now click on publish, and then now let's go to our website and now refresh here, and now go to our home page. So here you can see that now we have added our Bangladesh. Now I want to add some more destination here. So for adding another destination, we have to click on our add new destination, and then we have to select a title here. So that's it, and then paste the text here. And then we have to add related tool here. So I will choose this 3. And then we have to add a category, and then we have to set a featured image. So after uploading this image, now let's click on our set featured image. and now here you can see that we have successfully set our image here. Now I think everything is now good. Now let's click on our publish button and then go to our website and now refresh, and here you can see that we have successfully added our Spain. Now if you guys want, you can add more destination tour here. So now let's scroll, and here you can see that we have our tour here with price. Now I will show you how we can add new tour and set new price for our this tour package. So for adding this package, now let's go to our admin panel, and from here you can see that we have our tours. Now if you click on our tours, and here we can see all of the tours package list which we have currently added to our website. Now if you want to add a new one, we have to just click on our add new tour, and then first we have to select a heading here. That's it. For our description, I will just copy this one. So I will just simply copy from everything here. That's it. Now copy and go to our admin panel and then paste it here. That's it. Now everything is now good, and here you can see that we have some option. If you guys want to add this option to your package, you can do this from here. Now our first option is number of days. It means how many days the package is for. So I will select 5, and the minimum age requirement for this package, and it will be 12 plus. And then you can select the time here. It means the month. So I will select April, May and June. That's it. Now I will set a amount, and it will be 30. That's it. And our price will be $6,000. And if you want, you can add a discount price also, and you can add label here and a booking method. So I will choose the booking method contact form 7, and then contact form 7 will be contact form 1. That's it. And then you can add departure and then time here, and return time, and then include. And if you guys want to include anything with this package, you can do this here. So I will add some title here. So I'll just copy from everything here. Airfare. Now copy this thing and paste it here. Then we can add another one. So I will copy this one. That's it. And if you guys want to not include anything, you can add this here. So here you can see that we have not included this text here. Now copy this and then paste it here. That's it. Now if you want, you can add map address. So our map address will be Spain. And if you want, you can add some gallery and then video review and then header content type also, but I don't want to change anything and add anything here. Now I will add a featured image. So I will add this featured image from my computer. So I will add this one and then open. Actually I already have uploaded this one. Now I will select this one and then select featured image. So after adding this featured image, we can add some category here. So I will add this rural and wildlife. That's it. And if you want, you can add some tour tags. So I think everything is now okay. Now I will just simply click on this publish button. So now here you can see that our tour is now published. Now let's go to our website, and now let's go to our home page, and now let's see. So now let's scroll down, and here you can see that we have added our awesome text here. So by doing this, we can add multiple tour package here, and now I hope you can add packages here. So after this one, now here you can see that we have some featured testimonial, and these are the testimonial. These are the review of actually some of our customer. We can add and edit this featured testimonial here also. So for editing these things, now we have to, here you can see that we have a testimonial here. Now let's click on our testimonial, and here you can see that we have now currently 4 testimonial, and actually from here we can add a new testimonial here. So for adding new testimonial, we just have to click on our add new testimonial, and here first we have to give a name of our testimonial. That's it. And in our description we will just copy this line and then paste it here. That's it. You can add customer name also. So our customer name will be demo name, and our customer position will be demo position, and for our company name it will be demo company. So yeah, that's it. I think now I will just simply publish this one and then go to our website and now refresh. Now let's see. So here you can see that demo name, demo position and demo company, we have successfully added our opinion here. So by this process you can add as much as demo testimonial here. So now here you can see that we have successfully customized our travel agency website using WordPress. Here you can see that we have our navigation links, our logo here, and then our search option, our sliding text here, and our paragraph. Then we have our destination option here, and we have our packages also. And here you can see that we have our testimonial, our reviews, and here we have some company logos, and then we have our footer section. And I think this website is now looking okay, and everything is, I think, perfect. Now I will just simply copy this URL from here and then open a new tab and then paste it here and then enter. So now here you can see that our website is completely live now, and this is the website. Here you can see that. And if we want, we can customize this website more, but I don't want to change anything from here. But if you want, you can change anything from this website. You can add new navigation links, and I showed you how we can set up these navigation links, and we can change our sliding images and our text and our heading from here. And then we can add our new destination images here also. And then I also showed you how we can add new packages here. So that's it guys, hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and if you guys really enjoyed this tutorial, then please subscribe, like this video, and press the bell icon for the future videos. And if you guys have any question about this video, you guys can comment below, and see you guys in our next tutorial.